This is awesome. Look at that. Got that.
Whoa!
Look, that's really cool though. This is really awesome.
Look at that. Now Daddy
What do
can
you
get
think?
in.
My wife and I, we've been together for 10 years, married for 3. And I don't know how she puts up with me, but she does. We have 2 twins, Kennedy and Benjamin. They're 17 months old. She's a registered nurse. I'm an accountant, and we enjoy doing outdoor activities, the beach, taking our boat out, and going to various parks.
Yeah, definitely.
Very neat.
Wow. Look at all the room.
I've been in a wheelchair for 10 years now. 2008, I had my accident, wrecked my vehicle, and was ejected out of the driver window and broke my back. I'm a T6 and 7. I started out as complete. As I did therapy and rehabilitation, they changed it from complete to incomplete, which means that I have use of my legs.
I was working at a spinal cord rehabilitation inpatient rehab. They were there for 3 months or so. We became close friends, became close to the family because you invest a lot in your patients when you take care of them and you see them grow and all the outcomes that happen after an accident such as his.
Definitely still
Oh,
fit.
for sure. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, there's still plenty of room for me to get through.
Sometimes when you think, oh, it's going to be handicap accessible, it's not going to be like the best looking. It's very beautiful. It's a nice looking RV.
From the beginning, I was extremely impressed with it. Before I even came in the door, I saw that the way it looks is pretty cool looking. And then when that little garage door opened up and there was that lift there, it was really just kind of like, holy cow, this is real. This really is available for people like me and my family. It's very spacious. Something my wife and I noticed was that we both could walk down the aisle together.
Being able to all be in here, the kids getting around, being safe for the kids, and then being accessible to Josh, that's the best part.
I don't like people to know that I'm always in a wheelchair. So I like things that are kind of discreet. For the most part, I like that things are discreet. I like that it's not noticeable. The Winnebago should name this the Independence, because it really gives you some independence. Winnebago coming out with this just really, and it's blown me away. It really has.
It's nice that Winnebago is thinking of this population. They also want to enjoy the outdoors. They also want to travel. He is very positive. He still does everything he loves to do. Like, we still go to the beach, he gets on the beach. We still go every year with our family camping.
I was 20 years old when I had my accident. I was able to kind of start over again. I went to college, I got my degree. I met an amazing wife. As bad as it is, this accident really changed my life for the good. I would not change it for what I have. I couldn't replace what I have now, and I never would want to either.